at lahat tayo'y litong-lito. Kaya pa at kasiyahan, tiyak na makakamtan. Lahat tayo'y patay-patay sa biyaya ng may kapal. Lahat sana'y apay-apay, handang tumulong kanino man. Kung bawat tao ay marunong magmahal, anumang kulay o salita, tiyak makikiisa. Jotsen, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato shimasu, ishimi desu, ibibig kita wa aidi. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin, tanging lunas ay pag-ibig. Josem, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato shimasu, ishimi desu, ibibig kita wa aidi. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin, tanging lunas ay pag-ibig. Josem, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato shimasu, ishimi desu, ibibig kita wa aidi. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin, tanging lunas ay pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. Isang mundo, isang awit, isang sigaw. Pag-ibig. Thank you so much.
So tell me, so you said those words in song that meant I love you. I want you to say it slowly for me to see if I can catch it.
Iniibig kita.
All of that says I love you? Ini-ibig kita. Ini-ibig kita. Did I get it right? Ini-ibig kita. Okay, come take a little walk with me. See, there's a reason why I'm doing all of this, because you know I like to be a little spontaneous. So I want you to take a little walk with me. And I'm going to step across to somebody who's very special, and I want you to tell me. So, ini-ibig kita, my dear. So I missed it, but there you go, thank you. And I got a good job with that. So you see, that's all about being a little interactive and sharing a little spice. I hope you enjoyed that, my dear. You will never live it down, but that's okay. All right, so we've got another performance from the Philippines.